Meticulously maintained contemporary farmhouse and lag park. Harpeth River access with canoe drop-in at the end of the street. Open floor plan. With custom details throughout. Owner's retreat and second bedroom on the main floor. New extended island and newly painted kitchen cabinets. The backyard is level and fenced in with an extended patio/fire pit/grill area. Premium lot, backyard backs up to wood/Harpeth River. Homes can never be built behind you, HOA property. Community, 2 pools, 2 playgrounds, walking trails, river access, clubhouse, etc.